After the drawing, this is how the canvas looks like. Now I will be using this camel glass 3D liner for my artwork. You can also use the previous methods that we already showed before. I am using a 3D glass liner because of the availability. It has a very sharp tip, as you can see, so it will be very easy to draw. Now, in spite of this, you can use any colors of 3D liner if gold is unavailable, because then you can color it using gold acrylic colors. As you can see, I just started making one leaf from the border. I am going very slowly and steadily so that the thickness of my line is maintained. This is how the real-time speed looks like. I hope you will do this way. Now you can see, as the bottle is full, I am giving very gentle pressure from the bottom part.
Many of you have asked me about my private courses. Yes, there are some long detailed courses available in Skillshare and Udemy. There is detailed courses in Madhubani painting, Worli painting, Fad painting, Meenakari, Persian as well as Tanjore painting. The prices are pretty low, but if you want to get a free access, I can give you a 7 to 14 days free trial on Skillshare. You can find the links in the description box. So why are you waiting? Let's come and join the beautiful sea of Indian folk art.
By doing this way, your hand will feel less stress and your finger will be less painful. You can see how gently and slowly I am doing each and every details. This is how the painting should look like. The 3D outliner should do this job so that each and every line should be uplifted from the canvas. This is how you need to rotate your canvas each time when you are doing very difficult part. For example, the petal of the lotus should be done in very meticulous way. For that reason, I am rotating the canvas each and every time and doing the lining work. Keep mind in once again that this kind of lining work needs a lot of patience. Once a mistake is done, you can't undo it. With that, our top portion of the border is almost done. Now we will do with the left portion. You can see how gently I am using the 3D liner. Also, don't forget to clean the tip so that you can get a precise result. As you can see, I am doing the petals very slowly. I would highly suggest you to stop your breath while doing this lining work. Stopping your breath can makes you more focused so that you can get a precise looking and right amount of detailing. So the lotus is almost done. I am making the stem connected by a lotus bud. You can also do some practice in any rough sheet before doing directly on the canvas. Practice in the rough sheet, and when you are getting the perfect result and desired outline with same amount of stroke size, you can then start using in the canvas. Don't hesitate if you are doing mistake for the first time. It happens to everyone. Just go with the flow, and I hope you will get the amazing results. I hope you are liking this lining result. The same lining can be used in various other paintings too. If you like, you can visit my profile so that you can get each and every details of other paintings. With that, we are halfway done to our lower border. Being a right-handed, I will now start the interior portion because sometimes it can smudge the whole border. You can do another thing, that first do the whole border, then keep it dry and then do the inner portion. That is also very feasible. If you are left-handed, make sure you start from left to right, and if you are right-handed like me, you should start from the right corner and slowly move to the left part. This way your painting will be smudge free and there will be less chance of accidental damages. When the 3D liner is used, the liner is really liquid form, and a little bit gentle touch also can destroy it. Let it give a little bit time so that it can configure it in its shape, and then we will move to the next part.
platforms, you are welcome to do that. You just need to go to the description box and fill out this Google form. You have to write your name, your WhatsApp number, as well as the classes you are willing to attend. The classes date and timings will be notified you very soon. Make sure you press the submit button.